If you struggle with tricky biology exam questions, you're in the right place. This is Vision Academy, and today we're mastering vaccinations the smart way.
So we have a 6 marker here, which is to explain how a vaccine for chickenpox gives immunity against the disease. This is separated into two parts: the vaccine and the chickenpox pathogens that enter the body after the vaccination. When writing out the answer, you must clearly explain, number one, the primary response, so what happens when you get the vaccine, and number two, the secondary response, what happens when the real virus enters later. Now let's write a model answer for this. A vaccine contains a weakened or inactive form of the chickenpox virus. The antigens from this virus are recognized as foreign by the white blood cells. White blood cells respond by producing specific antibodies that are complementary to the antigens on the chickenpox virus. The antibodies bind to the antigens and destroys the pathogen. Some of these white blood cells become memory cells. So this was the first part of the question. The second part of the question is what happens when the chickenpox comes back after the vaccination. If the real chickenpox enters the body, the memory cells recognize the antigens immediately. They rapidly produce large amounts of specific antibodies, and the virus gets destroyed quickly. So these are the things that you need to mention in your answer. You need to mention that antigens are found on the pathogens, that the white blood cells respond to these antigens, and that the antibodies are specific to the antigen. The antibodies then bind to the antigen. Memory cells are then formed, and then there's a faster secondary response. And because of that, more antibodies are produced, and then the pathogen gets destroyed quickly, second time round.